So, you probably heard that word Docker already. Today on briefly.dev blog post, we are writing some stuff about Docker. So what it is, how it works, what are the key components and key benefits, and some use cases. Right now on YouTube, we will present how to install it using our Ubuntu system, which we installed on one of our previous hands-on. If you didn't see that, the link will be down below. So let's hop into the console and install it. Alright, so we are back and we are on Docker Docs. It's the official documentation for Docker, and we'll be going through install procedure. We can use desktop version for Linux, for Mac, or for Windows. And if you go to maybe Mac OS, everything will be written here. So you will just need to download the DMG, install it, and you should be good to go. The same will be with, more or less the same will be with Windows, and more or less will be the same with Linux. But today we'll be keeping it to the terminal-based one, so we will be using Ubuntu 24, and let's go to Ubuntu 24 docs, and here we can see there are some install methods like apt. Okay, let's use apt. So we would need to firstly update our packages, then install some packages that are required if we don't have them, and then we will need to adjust the repository to our apt resources. Let's go one by one. I will speed up this process a little bit so you don't have to wait for me. Alright, and we are after setting up. So now we will go through the proper install phase. And the last thing in the docs is just the verification command. So let's try to run it. This will be our first container. It couldn't find it locally, so it will download it. And as you can see, it launched and we have a hello from Docker message. So today that will be it. It was just an installation phase. In the next hands-ons, we will go through the basic commands, how to create a Docker container, how to push it into registry, and so on. So thanks for today, and see you next time.